Hello everyone, welcome to the Seaborn series. In this video, we will be discussing joint grid in detail. A joint grid is a more customizable and flexible version of joint plot. We can say it's a kind of an extension of the joint plot. It provides a framework for creating complex plot that shows the relationship between the two variables along with their distributions, just like joint plot. It allows us to build our own plot step by step and we can make more customizable plot as compared to the joint plot. So let's look at it a simple example. I'm going to create a joint grid. So when I use this joint grid method of Seaborn, it's going to give me a kind of a blank grid-like structure. So the 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 main advantage of creating this blank is it helps us to customize the plot according to our needs. So now let's look at some of the more example. So let me create a kind of a joint plot with the default parameters. So here I have specified that, okay, I'm going to create a G plot where there should be a reg plot and there should be a distribution plot. Okay, so so this is the reg plot which is being drawn, showing the relationship between engine size and wheelbase, and the individual distribution is in the form of a distribution plot. Okay, we can also change the color of the plot. So by changing the color of the plot, we can specify the color parameter, and we can specify the color parameter for both the joint plot as well as for the marginal plots. So yeah, so here you can see the color has been changed according to this. Then also we can change the background of the marginal graph. So let me show you with an example. So here what we can see that we have specified the marginal color as this color. Okay, so now we can see that the background of the marginal plot is being like this way. So this is about the joint grid. So when I say marginal plot, so marginal plots are basically these plots which is showing the individual distribution of the inputs which are present on the x and y axis. Okay, but when I talk about the joint plot, so basically joint plot is this plot which is showing the relationship between these two plots. So similar way, we can also remove the space between the joint. Like we can see that there is a space here. You can see there is a space between this joint plot and the marginal plot. Here also we can see the space between these two. So we can remove the space also. So let me show it how we can do this. So we can do this by using the space parameter, and we can specify that, okay, we want to create a joint grid where the space is equal to 0. So this will what will happen. It's going to create kind of a joint plot which is no space between the marginal and the joint plot. We can see here there's no space, and here also there's no space. So this was all about joint grid, and hope you liked this video. Please do let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel for further tutorials. Thanks a lot.